Ever notice that your Nintendo Switch sometimes removes games automatically? That's because of auto archiving, which kicks in when your storage gets too full, or because the feature is enabled in your system settings by default. In this video, I'll show you how to prevent auto archiving so your games stay exactly where you want them. So let's get started. From the home menu, go to System Settings. Scroll down and select Data Management. Now on the right side, select and open Manage Software. Find your problematic game from here. Select and open it. Now tab Prevent Auto Archiving to turn it on. This stops your Switch from automatically archiving games when storage runs low. Repeat this for all the other games that you're facing the issue with, and that will do. To stop auto archiving, just disable the setting and get on with your life. If this helps you out to control your Switch storage, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment on how you manage your games. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.